fire you. I will fire me, make I fire you. It's a lie. This is a lie.
Wonderful, 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 wonderful.
Wake.
Who call you my old friend?
Could this be you I am saying or your ghost?
I know you are not talking.
Hey!
The Shinab is talking. But be it as it may.
Oh,
no! It is not me. It is you who has gone into transmogrification state. As a matter of fact, it is not me. It is not me, erudite, barrister, legal luminary, Ignatius Nweke.
Bowam! Bowam! This is wonderful. So, Nweke, you can now speak grammatical and it is good in your tongue.
Before I left the shores of this country to visit Buckingham Palace, where I had a good meeting with Queen Elizabeth, I thought we reported to the company that does Shinab to come down with alcoholic metabolism, powerful papari. What is happening? Look at you. Well, let me tell you, my medulla oblongata is higher than your own now, and even before I left the shores of this country, even when I was an inhabitant of this habitat, and among other Homo sapiens, my medulla oblongata has always been higher than yours.
This grammar is Quincy. This is a Quincy grammatical. Now, change the condition of the grammar. Make it more understandable to me.
Let me tell you, I speak good English now because I am a legal luminary.
I can see.
I speak good English because I am an erudite. I speak good English because I studied in Harvard University, where Queen Elizabeth was congratulating me and exchanging pleasantry. To your greatest dismay in this village, I have come to erect a powerful and standard chamber.
This one is out of it. This is China from the position of your tongue. This one is China, the way you position your tongue. Habitat. But look, where are you going from here? Why not take me to one you watch and feed me with more liquor now that we are finally back?
It will be an offense on Professor Barrister Legal Luminary Ignatius Nweke to add extra bottle to your state of liquefied mystic state of being. Means that you should go and take a comfortable room in a dungeon. As it is, I rest my case.
This is wonderful, Igina. Weke. Listen.
Let me tell you, next time, if you want to address me, before you, I told you, I am an erudite. But let me not blame you now because you're under the influence of alcohol. Some minutes ago, I told you all my names. I am erudite, professor, legal luminary, barrister, Ignatius Nweke. Why are you calling me Nweke? What about other names? What about other my titles? Are you taking them away? Don't you ever address me without my titles. In Ania, even Queen Elizabeth in Buckingham Palace addresses me by that manner. Who are you? Respect yourself.
I see. This is wonderful. Look, Nweke. Whether you like, you speak all the grammar you like in this world, you must get me that, Shona. I must come to one who was this place to get the Shona. Whether you like it or not. Hey! This is awesome. Ignatius cannot speak grammar, and it is good in his tongue. This is awesome. Hey! People should come and hear fire. This grammar is very awesome. Ignatius, I am coming to one who watch for my liquor. Don't forget.
Enuma, Enuma, warning you now. Enuma, leave me alone.
Now look at this guy.
Enuma, leave me alone.
Now come, shut up your mouth.
I don't want to fight you.
No, that's okay, dear. Hold it there. See you. Now backward. See.
Enuma, I'm warning you. I don't want to fight you. Enuma, leave me alone. Look at this idiot. Enuma, I'm warning you.
Come, respect yourself. I'm going to face both of you now. No. Come and get away, you.
See, Enuma, I'm warning
shut
you.
up. See, before the counting of one.
Enuma, leave my phone.
Come and get away, you can't leave my phone.
No.
Come and get away, you.
Enuma, I'm warning you. I don't want to fight you.
Leave it up.
Oh my God.
No,
thou shalt not kill. What a consanguineous vibe indeed. What?
Uju, Biko, what is Vivendi? Amam, come, this man, who even brought into this case, sir?
Who invited me to this case?
Yes.
Look, my names are, in case you don't know, my names are Barrister, Eludite, Professor Ignatius Nweke. I just arrived this terrain and seeing you beautiful, eloquent and venacious girls, damsels for that matter, fighting, beats my imagination. I said, no, as a legal luminary, I need to attend to this case and know what is wrong and what is right. You don't have to fight. Right? What are your nomenclatures? I understand that sign. I know that sign. Well, let me come down to your own understanding. To a layman English, I mean to say, what are your names?
Nazuzewe.
Oh, that is your name, Zuzewe.
Okay? You! Stupid people, useless bunch of people.
I remember this statue in England when I went to visit Queen Elizabeth. In the training ground, I saw a feminine who is as exactly as you are, and she was transformed into a male. You know, this is that. Now let me tell you, pretty themselves like in African.
Where have you come from? I sent you out since to collect cassava stem. In Abata keke na warono. Hey.
Now this woman, leave me alone, no. Leave me alone, no. I'm very, very tired. I need to rest. Leave me alone. What is it, sir?
Shankwa, is it me you're talking to?
Hey, that's what I'm talking to you. Nah, this week, leave me alone, no.
Enoma.
Oh.
My, oh my. Who is in this edifice? Do we have vertebrates dwelling in this terrain? Or am I just verbalizing? I mean to say, who the heck is in this abode?
Whom am I seeing?
Mine, oh mine, oh mine.
Dikeh, is this you?
Yes, old papa, it is me, flesh and blood. It is a sardonic and opprobrious moment to see your faces once again. Let me ask, who is this small boy?
Dikeh, Biko. I know you've left this country for a long time. I mean, calm down with this your grammar so that at least we can understand you. Please.
Well, I should have thought of this. I should have known that attending academia is an impediment to people of this geographical hemisphere.
Oh.
That is to say, let me come down to your level. What I was saying was, who is this small boy?
Oh, this is my son now, Chetena.
Wait. Oh my, oh my. The juvenile that I saw before I left the shores of this country has grown into a big boy.
Exactly. That is to show you that you have left this country for a long time.
This is wonderful. Look at this Ngongo na Ngongo looking so hilarious.
Thank you.
By the way, what is your nomenclature?
I don't understand.
It's all right. I mean to say, what are you called?
Okay. My name is Chetanda.
Chetanda. What an opprobrium. What? Look, Papa, do you know when I was walking into this place, I was expecting to see an old man walking with his walking stick, even an old woman. Oh, look at you, bouncing.
It's
me.
Hey! You're welcome once again.
Thank you very much.
Hey.
Thank you very much.
Welcome back to the village.
It's my pleasure.
Enough of this grammar. Let's go inside. At least welcome you and give you some food to eat. Come inside.
This is very palatable.
Yeah.
It's very, very palatable. Even when I visited Queen Elizabeth, this was the first thing she did. Offered me something.
Come inside, people.
Oh my man, oh my God. Oh, this is wonderful.
You know, why is it that your mother doesn't like me?
Who said she doesn't like you?
I know, and I think it's high time I stop associating with you.
Here. Afam, my nigga, don't say that now. No, don't say that now.
I will say it too. Because your mother thinks I'm the one spoiling you. Whereas I've warned you, I've talked to you to stop all this character, but you never listen to me.
Okay, see, I promise I'm going to stop fighting.
You will change. You that I've advised 100 times, and you never listen to me.
Afam.
After now, you go back and do the worst.
No, Fiakwa, me. Afam, I swear, I will not fight with anybody in this village. Trust me now. Believe me.
Are you sure?
I swear.
Touch the sand.
Right.
No, touch this.
I'm sorry, you don't trust
touch
me.
It, do
One, I swear to God. Afam, sing that song you sang for me the other day in my house. I like it.
Numa, I'm not in the mood now to sing any song, please. I'm not just in the mood.
Afam, it's not fair. Sing now.
Okay, tomorrow. I'll sing for you tomorrow. Are you okay with that?
Yeah, cross your heart.
Numa, I said I would sing for you tomorrow now.
Afam, this thing you're doing is cheating, no? You told me to touch floor, I touch floor. Now you don't want to cross your heart.
Because we can see the floor. But my heart, you cannot see it. So how do you want me to cross my heart? Okay, I'm touching my chest now. Are you okay with that?
My Niggy. Niggy in the whole village.
Igwe, now that you are back to the village, what are your plans?
Well, Uncle, my plans are numerous. I have numerous plans. As a matter of fact, I want to precipitate my actions as quickly as possible.
Igwe, I've told you, whenever you are talking to me, calm down with this your grammar so I can understand you.
Uncle, I have always known that illiteracy is a very big disease. Well, what I am saying is this. I want to execute my plans as quickly as possible. That is what I mean.
And what plan are you talking about?
What plan am I talking about? What plan? Well, Uncle, you know that I am a lawyer, a legal luminary for that matter. So I have decided to erect a powerful chamber in this village, after which I will settle down.
That word, settle down, is what I'm interested in. I want you to get a wife so that I can give my late brother grandchildren.
Yes.
That is all I want.
That is not far-fetched. On my way, I saw some pretty damsels. I said to myself, it is near. You know.
Look, in this village, there are a lot of pretty girls. Choose one and I will follow you to their house and marry her for you. That's all. That's my plan.
You don't say?
Yes, that's why I'm your uncle.
This is absolute. I love that.
Yes.
Queen Elizabeth must hear this, and she will be very glad to hear this. Queen Elizabeth of Buckingham Palace.
What are you walking up and down for? What is it? Hey. Eh? Mama, for your information, you're the one that will cook these beans when I'm done.
Sit down. See, Mama, I need money. In fact, I need change and money. Anyone.
You need some money.
Yes.
You need some change.
Yes.
And you expect me to give it to you. I don't know possible.
Hey, Mama,
Please now, please, I need money now. I want to get 1 or 2 things now. If you need change your money, go and hustle like your mates. Look, your mates are out there. Some are farming, some are selling pure water, braiding hair, doing all kinds of things. Find something to do. Hustle on one hustle. Is this all you have to say? Wicked woman, God is watching you. And the devil is equally watching you. Seeing all you're doing. Go and provide for yourself. Hey, Mama, other mothers out there giving their children money. But you, Mbanu, Akagom, wicked woman. Nem, you will not see my fake him. In the game. Nah, get away. Get away. I'm buying it. You won't want. Nem, you value. I don't know. I did I'm sure. I'm out to ratatata like machine gun, insulting everyone. Enuma wamandoba. I don't care about Jarema, some back on a bar. Enuma wamandoba. I'm out to ratatata like machine gun, insulting everyone. Enuma wamandoba. I don't care about Jarema, some back on a bar. Enuma wamandoba. Yeah? Where are you going? Shabi, he said I should go and hustle. I'm going to hustle so I can make money. What kind of a child are you? Mama. Let me tell you, I am your one and only daughter. In fact, your only child for that matter. So, you know, like mother, like daughter. You understand? Hey, Mama, you see this beans you're cooking, I don't want it to be too much sauce. You know, I don't like too much salt in the beans. And don't make it too much soft, okay? I'm coming back. And what is even in this thing that you're You think you're a boy? There's nothing there. It's flat.
Adao, I forgot to ask you. How did you go with Enuma the other day? Oh, my dear. I wonder what I did to that girl for her to hate me that much. Sometimes I wonder the kind of girl she really is. As long as I'm concerned, Enuma is a bad egg and must be removed from the good ones before she contaminates us all. One thing is sure, any day she tries me, in this village, I will show her the stuff I'm made of. Bikokwa, I don't have strength for anyone's trouble. Let's go. You remember what she did to me the last time? Bikokwa. No. Let us talk of more important thing and forget about this Enuma. Like what? Ada, did you remember that man that saved you the other day from Enuma? I separated the fight between you and Enuma. What about him? I heard he just returned from the white man's land. And guess what? What? He is here to pick a wife. That's interesting. With all those big grammar, which girl will marry such a man? I will, oh. This year will not pass me by at all. I'm not getting younger. I will. My dear, you're right. Maybe we should go and pay him a visit. Who knows? He might fall in love with any of us. Exactly. Yeah. Because let's go and fetch up and go home too. As if you're not interested. Don't mind her. Let's go, Jerry. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Yeah, I can't wait to pay him a visit. My nigga.
What is this I'm hearing?
Nah, first give me 5 first.
What am I hearing, Enuma?
Now, what are you even hearing?
That you now beat the elders of this land. Even ask one to sit on the floor the other day, Enuma.
Now, what is it, Seth? It's been a long time, Seth. Now, see, my nigga, all those useless elders, they are telling me in this village, Joe. They are telling me in this village. Is it not that Dikeh, whatever they call him? He now slapped me here the other day. And what they call him? Obago, whatever they call him. That one is looking for my trouble. Now I will kill that man. I will lift him down. What is it, self? Now tell them to respect yourself in this village, oh. They should not try me.
It's even true. Enuma, what is wrong with you? What are you doing to yourself? Eh? Don't you know you're bringing curse upon yourself and your family? Eh? By disrespecting these men. They are elders, for God's sake.
See, my nigga, I understand. You know, I understand. But tell them to avoid my trouble. Tell them to avoid Enuma's trouble in this village. Please. Hmm?
This is rubbish. Excuse me.
How far are you going? Hi. Nah, this is my nigga said. How far, please come back now. Okay, I will not beat them again. How far, please now. Afam, na my nigga. Hey. Now what kind of stupid error is this?
Prof, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
We're actually on our way to your house.
As a matter of fact, I have seen everything good about this afternoon. You are going to my house. What a wonderful thought. What a suboxone thought. What a marvelous action. Let me tell you, I am so joyous, so happy inside of me to be made in awareness that you and you and you are actually trying to locate my Abu. I'm joyous inside. By the way, where is one of you?
We all are here.
No. One person is missing. I'm talking about the young lady who fought the other day. The one who brandished SS power. The one who brandished SS muscle. She is not here.
That must be Numa. Prof, she's no longer our friend.
She's no longer your friend. Why, if I may ask? Anyway, let me not meddle much into trivialities. It is not my case to handle at this moment. Let me put it aside. Let me ask you one good question. Please, whose daughter is she? Where can I find her Abu?
She's the daughter of late Ichu Okeke.
Ah, that name Ichu Okeke. Ha! That name sounds familiar. I think I have come in acquaintance with such name, Ichu Okeke. I have come in acquaintance. That is, by the way. Let me. Oh, sorry. Pardon my excesses. Pardon my manners. Because even in England, when I visited Queen Elizabeth in Buckingham Palace, she said, "Don't keep pretty damsels waiting, standing." Do you understand? Now, I am offering you this, and I believe that you will not refuse. Let us go to my house. I came back from England, Buckingham Palace, with some German England wines. Let's go to my house so that I can give you a befitting accolade. Give you some wine that was given to me by Queen Elizabeth in Buckingham Palace before I left. Let us go. No, don't say no. Don't refuse my offer. Let's go. It is simple. No. Come over. Yeah, go. You know, this is how it is. When you see beautiful, pretty dance. No, come on. Are you coming?
Miami, make I fire you. And where are all these beautiful consignments coming from? This beauty is awesome. It's beyond me. This beauty is absolutely beyond me.
Only help yourself.
Only God knows the kind of enjoyment my learned friend has been into. Hey, but then no corn. When I have this kind of heavy duty at my disposal, I will not fear June talk more of July. I will, with courage, embrace the succulentness of the earth chambers. And even when I die, after climbing, I know heaven will forgive me. And they will receive me. Because I've seen the correctness of the chambers. But then, Ignatius, you have to explain to me why you have to undergo this kind of enjoyment without informing me. This waste is awesome. This ass is awesome. Hey, Ignatius, my friend. This is absolutely inconsequential.
That reminds me. You shouldn't have told that professor whose daughter Eloma is now. Why? Why shouldn't I? Don't you know he might actually go after her, leaving us? He will do no such thing. Trust me, he won't. Yeah. And how are you sure he won't? With the kind of attitude that Enuma is putting up, which man would look at her? Why are you people scared now? Why are you... Let's go. Why are you scared? We'll just wait. In fact, we pray so. You will not try such. Let's go. People should not be scared now. Okay. Huh? Why will you be scared? Who will look at that girl and... Why wouldn't they? Who? Enuma. No. Okay. No one will look at her. Hey! Nah, look how it's my friend. Nah, it's mad. Welcome. Thank you. Hey!
Actually, I was just coming from class and your mom told me you went to the market.
Hey, my sister. Nah, I went to the market to get this thing they call MP3. MP3. So I'll be using it to be, you know, keep myself going, Very, very good.
Enuma, we need to talk. A lot has happened while I was away. I can't believe your father died and no one told me about it.
Sister, you've seen it now. Nah, that's life for you now.
Yes. Your mom told me a lot of bad things about you.
My mother? Like what and what?
Like you disrespecting her now. Even throwing water containing pepper on her. What would have happened to her if not for God? She would have gone blind by now. How by Enuma? Why should you do such to your mother?
Don't say it again. See, if you don't want me to just leave you now, just change this topic now. No, change this topic.
So you never change?
No, I bet I don't like this thing you're saying. No, I better pack one side. Let's forget about that thing. No, I bet you're looking fine, no.
Black marker.
No, what is all these things? No, look at my girlfriend, though. Hey, this girl, compassion.
Thank you.
It's too bad. Look how you're fine. All these things you're rubbing on your face. All this shine. No, you're looking fine, though.
You mean makeup?
Yes. No, you're looking fine on it, too.
They sell it in the market.
That means I'll go to the market and get it now. So you come and teach me how to rub it.
Why not? I'll go with you. If you want to go, just call me. I will join you. They sell fake ones.
Hey, I'll go and buy it. But you're looking fine, no? Hey, Kapasha! Sorry for the bad. Nah, give me five. It's too much. It's too much. Hey, my sister, you look fine, no?
Thank you.
Girl, no please.
I need to start going.
Hey, you need that. Now this girl fine, no? Fine girl, no pimple. Hey, now this girl is fine. Hey, come on, sir. It's too much. Stand there for the ball.
Okono,
my
let me profile an advice to you. Okono, you have to take it easy.
Thank you.
Take it easy because you're already high.
Thank you.
Taking more of this, adding into your system, will aggravate your highness. Take it easy.
Look, gracious. Whether aggravate or aggravating Okono is permanently permanent with Shana and palm wine. Because that is the way forward. It is the thing that works with the system. You see, when you take much of this, you don't seek. And that reminds me, you said you want to open up your chambers here in this village.
Of course, that is my first priority, to open a resound chamber in this community.
In that case, you will make me your judge, one of your chief judges. Yes.
Who?
Me, of course. Me. Or don't I deserve it? I deserve more of that.
Okono, let me tell you, instead of me to make you a judge in my court, I rather use a lunatic. What am I even saying? You're a lunatic, oh. Of course you're a lunatic. Judging by the state of your being, you are a lunatic. Okono, let me ask you. Let me ask you one interesting question. Supposing I decide to make you a judge in my court, with which face will you use to judge the cases?
You don't know. Do I not have two faces? Does Okono have two faces?
You have face alone.
You don't know this face. It was with this face I just case Empire and I won a gold medal.
Okono, it is very obvious that you don't have ambition. Of course you don't have ambition. You are trying to tell me where you won a case in Panya. You did not even mention, in fact, let me tell you, Panya is behind. We're talking about the front. You understand? If you had told me you won a case in England, where the Queen Elizabeth resides, Buckingham Palace, I don't deal with people who wins case in Panya. I deal with people who are in Buckingham Palace. Legislatives, parliaments, and not Panya people.
Thank you.
You tell me Ouagadougou.
Thank
you. Correct, Bene? Let me tell you, I don't have words for you. In fact, you are a prolific sycophant.
Thank you. That one is a nice English. It sounds well in my ear. I love that one. That is a fine name.
Of course, because it befits you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Enuma, you're back from the market. No, I'm not back. I'm still in the market. You're seeing me and you're asking me stupid questions. Nah, respect, go. Respect yourself.
Me? Useless. Nne, talk to your mother with some degree of respect.
See, who is your daughter, Seth? Who is your daughter? Now, cut away you in a kuferu. Who is your daughter? That reminds me. What did you even tell Ebere, my friend?
Are you not ashamed of yourself? Ebere, your friend, has passed to the university. She's serving now. You and you're busy loafing around. You refuse to do anything. Go to school, Mba. Do business, Mba. Farming, Even when you can do to make money, nothing. You cannot do anything to save yourself. You're just useless. Causing one problem or the other throughout the village. Feeling away.
Is that all you have to say? Anyway, that is not even my business. But see, let me warn you. Let me sound this as a note. In fact, it's information. I'm giving you information now. Don't you ever in your life say any bad thing about me to anybody in this village. You know, don't you use this your useless mouth and talk to anybody in this village concerning me. The day you try it, the day you try it, this woman, I will kill you. You know, useless woman. Winch. See, don't try me, don't try me. Just cook this thing fast now. I'm inside the house. And don't put it too much salt. You know I don't like too much salt. You are saying what does not even concern you. Respect yourself, this woman, no. Winch. Useless woman. Winch. So what do? If it's good, it's acceptable to you. What the mama? Young man. The money from my bank. You took my money without my permission. Now go and bring that money. Mama, no! Have you become a thief? Mama, I don't clear there. No, Mama, hold it there. Now, what kind of woman is this one, safe? Which one is money? Nah, pack away. Oh, you're going out, eh? You will give me my money before you go anywhere. Hey! Now look at how people will just accuse innocent people of stealing money. No, Mama, as you can see, I'm going to an important occasion. You see, give me my money, or see, I'm going to an important getting. Give me my money. Hey. You're not going anywhere until you give me back my money. Let go to Mama, stop hooking me now. No, leave me alone now, Mama. Leave me alone. Leave me alone now. Why you can't do anything? You can't do more than a rotten dead rat. Give me my money, Mama. See, Mama, let me warn you. If by mistake you mistakenly clean this makeup now, Mama, I'm gonna take it back. Mama, I'm gonna super how you do? It was on job. You want to dress like woman today, sir? Go down here, give me my money. You're not going anywhere till you. Nah, this winch, leave me alone. No, kill me. If you want to kill me, kill me. Villagers! Nah, leave me alone. This woman, no, leave me alone now. I'm going to Jaja. Leave me alone now. I want to die. Mama, give me my money. Mama, give me my money. Okay, Mama. If I count 3 and you don't leave me, Mama, I'm going to deal with you. Okay. Mama, I will kill you. Mama, I will deal with you. I have heard you now. Mama, 1. Name 2. Mama, 3. 4. Nah, Mama, give me my money, my friend. Give me my money. No, look at this woman. Let me go. Mama, 5. Give me a go. Yeah, villagers. Get on your no. Help! Mama, What is funny? Illiteracy is really a disease.
You're insulting me because you went to school and you came out and become a guinea can copper shop. And you came now, you're just insulting me because you went to school. Why? Not so bad.
I'm sorry, I'm not insulting you. But where did you get the makeup you used in designing your face like this?
Since you did not teach me how to make up, I decided to go to the market so I can get makeup for myself. Am I not beautiful?
And where are you going like this?
I'm going to see Alpha, my friend. Nah, pack well. Let me go and see my friend. What are you saying? No problem.
What a beautiful damsel. You look beautiful. I must confess.
Are you serious? Thank you.
I make bold to ask this question. Did you do this makeup for yourself, or did someone compel you to do this makeup? Because you look so horrible on this makeup. I don't know, I can't.
Nah, I did it myself now. Is it not fine?
You did this yourself? Yeah. It's all right. It's okay. It's okay. Having made this makeup, I want to let you know that as a matter of fact, I have the quest, to build my empire in this hemisphere. And because I need to live in this hemisphere, or in my edifice, with a pretty queen like you, so I say, let me make this offer to you that I want you to be my wife, with who I will live, or I will occupy this edifice that I'm about to erect in the nearest future. So I don't know how you will take this, but do not refuse my offer.
Nah, but don't go here there. What is it, sir? You and this your big English. See, respect yourself and go your way. Take a chill pill and relax. Now, no, see, don't disturb me. Pack well.
Look at you. Look at you. As a matter of fact, you are supposed to pity yourself. Because I cannot define your species. I cannot define your species. In the kingdom of animals, you are a champion there. Look at how you disfigured your face in the name of making up. I gave you an offer that every other reasonable girl, every other reasonable species in the feminine system will jump at. I gave it to you. You are doing open gap for me. I am telling you, this is inconsequent.
Some back on a bar, and my woman,
My niggy.
And
The only niggy I have in this village. Nah, JM5. What's up?
Anyway, I'm going to your house.
I was on my way going to your house.
Actually, I'm going to your house too. And this is what is this you have in your face?
It's makeup.
What kind of makeup is this? Eh?
Is it not fine?
This is not fine. This is not how to do makeup. You're looking like a masquerade.
But the professor said it's fine. Why are you even laughing, Seth?
He's mocking you. Nobody in his right senses will tell you that this is fine. It's not fine at all.
Is that all you have to say?
Yes.
Okay, since you don't like it now, let me go and clean it.
Okay, I like it. I like it.
Are you sure?
Anyway, I'm going to your house. So let's start going.
Why not? Let's go to your house now.
No. I have something to discuss with you. So let's go.
I don't know. I did I'm sure. Can you put go melon and me cause? I'm out to ratata like machine gun.
You're just smiling. Meanwhile, how was your exams?
It went well, just that we are waiting for the results.
Okay. I assure you, you're going to pass.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Thank you.
It's okay. I'm going to see my friend. I will see you. Okay?
Can I get a hug from you? At least a harmless one.
It's okay.
Now get away, you. Now, what kind of joke is this one? Now, what kind of hug is this one?
Enuma, what's the meaning of all this now? So you have been following us?
Yes, I'll follow you. Hey. Want to come and hug our fam for what now?
You're just a terrible person.
Afam, let's just go. Let's go.
What is wrong with you? You're so terrible.
Come! You think I don't know your plan in this village? Eh? Nah, it will not work. Let me just tell you, nah, it will not work. Nanom.
Hey, Enuma, is Afam your boyfriend?
Yes.
Is he your husband?
No.
Eh? So why are you always poke-nosing? Eh? Can't you just be yourself? Stop disturbing. You disturb too much. See, let me just tell you something. I'm really not in for your troubles today.
Get away, you. Afam, my baby. Nah, to the one.
Enuma, tell me the truth. Are you having an affair with Afam?
Which one is having an affair with Afam? Nah, I don't understand this your question you're giving me this afternoon. Yeah.
My friend, I'm only asking you because I have my own reasons for asking.
Ikuchana. One. Ebere, how many times have I called you? Just twice. Everybody in this village knows Afam is my best friend. And he's more like a brother to me. So full stop.
Enuma, if Afam is more like a brother to you and Afam is your best friend, why is it that you always intrude each time you see us together?
So intrude. Because I don't like it. Yes.
You don't like it?
Yes.
Enuma, you just have to change this your character and this your way. Because you're disturbing so many things. You're disturbing so many things.
My dear, I don't like it. Take it or leave it.
They come out
pure. Stop. Now, cap away.
This malt, it's like the yeast inside it. So drink now. Tell me what
Honey, honey.
is a lie, it's money. Let me see. I tell it. It's not good.
Anyone, what's the meaning of all this now? Eh?
I see, what is my problem? Come, this stupid girl. How many times have I warned you to stay away from her? Are you deaf? You know I'm not.
Enoma, what is it? Are you not the one to tell me how to live my life? Or you want to leave it for me?
What is it? Come. Get out of here.
What? Afam, did you hear that?
Hey, look at this girl. Wait, so when I was warning you to stay away from Afam, was I carrying water in my mouth? Eh? Now, Zuzu, away from here.
Anyone, what's the meaning of all this now? If I don't leave, what will you do? Eh? What will happen?
Hey! No, go bust to my head. Are you mad? No, look at this. My nigga, look at this girl.
Who is your nigga? What is it? Are you getting crazy or what? Eh?
The reason I'm doing this is because that girl is a flex. Yes. Now this girl has slept with all the boys in this community, including Chinonso, Emeka, Michael, and even Ikenna from your mother's village. Eh? No, I don't want you to catch sickness from this girl. I know she's my friend, but I don't want you to come close to her ukunu, because I don't want you to carry that Golokaku or Okojonshon. Eh? You know that thing used to.
If I carry it, is it your business? Is it your bum? Is it your body?
Nah, my nigga, I don't want you to get that her sickness. So. You know that girl, when they make here too much, eh? Nah, my nigga. No, let me tell you.
If you touch this mouth, I'll deal with you now.
Nah, my nigga, I won't bust her head again.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Don't touch that mouth. Don't touch it. Just watching me. Don't touch it.
My nigga. My nigga.
I will use this on you. Be watching me.
My niggy. My one niggy in this village. Now let me just.
I said don't touch it. Leave it. Leave it. Be watching it. You're wicked. Wonderful edifice. This is wonderful edifice. Wonderful edifice, I must confess. This is the kind of edifice I saw in Congo on my way to England to visit the Queen Elizabeth. That is because I was trying to connect with Croatia, and France had said that they are the champions, and that is today. Wonderful. You are a beautiful young lady. Damsel, how are you?
First of all, peace be unto you. And secondly, how may I even help you?
This is totally unacceptable. This is inconsequential regarding to a well-trained young lady. First of all, why won't you offer me a seat?
As the Igwe or what?
Oh my, oh my, oh my. You sound so holistic, like you don't know me. You don't know my name. In case you've lost that memory, let me bring you down that memory lane. My humble name remains, like you know, Barrister, Engineer, Professor, Esquire, Require, all the things that has choir, apart from the chorister. I am Barrister Esquire Ignatius Weke, the only endorsed barrister by all the judges of the Federal Republic of Nigeria on that day in the Federal High Court. I have come to this place with all sincerity to take you as my own wife. Let us be like Adam and Eve. So I said, let me take you as my wife in this Garden of Eden.
Nah, you're 5.
I don't have 5. I have 1. Let me make bold to ask this question. What is funny about my voluminary, vocabulary, and vibration?
What?
Let me not pour out my angry demus, because it has become into jidemus, and I do not want. Let me ask you, what is confusing about my voluminary, about my vibration? What is wrong with it? Is it that you don't understand, or what?
Hey, nah. See this man, I don't get your time, oh. Now, if you see me like this, now, no get your time, oh. And no, man, not just get your time. They hear him. So, back where? See, before I don't want to see you. Get out of this compound.
Mine, oh mine, oh mine. Let me tell you, no feminine species or Homo sapient has ever addressed me in this manner. Not before, not today. Not even Queen Elizabeth of Buckingham Palace has ever addressed me in this manner. I will pardon your excesses. Otherwise, if I charge you to High Court of Appeal, I will sentence you to a prison of no return because of this singular act. You have failed the Constitution of Human Rights, Section 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and other sections that are very close to it. To this end, let me rest my case. Because, in fact, as it is, let me take my leave. I beg to take my leave, whether you like it or not. Barrister Esquire Ignatius Nweke will leave. I'm sorry. No.
Now look at this stupid man.
My baby, my baby. Oh baby. Who is behind all this beauty? Tell me.
There's nobody.
Now that you're through with camp, when are you going to start doing all those your NYC work?
We were just given 2 weeks, but I'm going to stay more than that. You know, I don't have money, so I need enough time to raise money.
Okay.
And you know how the federal government stipend is.
It's okay. That's all right. That's all right. No problem.
Afam, I want us to discuss something very important.
Okay. What is that?
So, Afam, after all these years, you still allow that illiterate of a girl, Enuma, to come very close to you.
Magonu.
Hey! Now what is it, sir? Wait, who they call illiterate? Now me? Hey! Now look at this small girl, oh. So you still have the guts, the charismatism because of this your copper youth. You have the guts to be saying all sort of rubbish, Okwaya. You have the guts to insult me, Enuma, one man in this village.
Yeah. Isn't that what you are? Are you not an illiterate? Enuma. So after all these years, you still trade people around. Follow. So after all these years, so how come you found us here?
My nigga. Now wait, oh. Didn't you tell this girl that Enuma is the king of all jungles in this village?
Jungle my foot.
Oh, okay. No wahala. No problem.
My friend, see, just shut up. Do you know what you are? You're just a bunch of disgrace.
Mama.
Yes. Did you go to school? Did you know what is NYSC? Can you spell it? Or P? Did you know what all that are called?
Afam. My nigga. Now you're here. This girl is telling me all these things. Now, come cut away you. Wait, oh. In fact, now my nigga, it's because of you. Afam, it's because of you.
You are still Itibolibo. Anything you like, do. Enuma or P, E-T, Itim Pataka, that's what you are. Yes.
Hey!
Itibolibo, Enuma, use your head. Use your head.
Hey!
I don't have your head, people.
Hey! My nigga, because of you. Let me just pause. It's because of Alpha, my nigga. Nah, my nigga is because of you. It's because of you. I would have dealt with that girl. My nigga.
Ashamed of yourself.
My nigga.
Wonderful, wonderful. I bring you greetings from the stable of Queen Elizabeth and other monarchs from Europe.
You're welcome, but who are you?
All right, let me start with this. My nomenclature remains Barrister Ignatius. I flew into this terrain with first class. As a matter of fact, during my academics, I came out with first class. That is to say, I am a first class material. If you doubt me, I can open my briefcase.
No, you don't have to bother. Don't show me anything. Because I really don't understand what you're talking about.
Oh, sorry. Let me come down to your understanding. What I mean is this. I am an inhabitant, in fact, a natural and freeborn of this land, who was away a long time. I came back not quite long from London.
Oh, if I may ask, whose son are you? From which family?
Oh, which family are you from and who is your father? She asked. Well, I am the only surviving son of Chief Mazi Nweke.
Ichienweke?
Yes.
The late Ichienweke?
Good.
Ah, Eshoku?
Yes.
Nah. Sit down.
This is wonderful.
You're welcome.
This
Sit
is
down.
wonderful. You just exhibited a character of Queen Elizabeth. The very first day I saw her in Buckingham Palace, she mopped all the floor for me to sit. As a matter of fact, she offered me coffee. That is by the way. Well, I have come to ask, is your pretty damsel daughter around? She is the reason I am here.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Well, she's not around. She's out.
Oh, she went out?
Yes.
What do you suggest I do?
Well, you sit down and wait for her.
As a matter of fact, for her sake, I can even lie down.
No, let's start with the sitting
Oh,
first.
that's wonderful.
Yes.
That is wonderful. Honestly speaking, when I breezed into this place and heard you speak, something tells me, in fact, something told me that you are like the Queen of England, Queen Elizabeth.
My second name is Eliza.
You don't say?
I'm telling you.
Wonderful. This is fantabulous. I said it. When I heard you speak, I said this is exactly the voice of Queen Elizabeth. Let me tell you, it is no longer Elizabeth. It is Queen Lizzie.
Look at this one. She knows how to copy me. I am now called Lilibet.
You don't mean it?
I'm telling you.
Lilibet.
Yes.
Queen Lizzie will hear this. That in my place, there is Queen Lilibet.
Yes. So what do I offer you? I cannot give you a cup of coffee like Lizzie, but I can offer you a glass of water.
It will do. It will do. Make
right.
it chill. Make it chill.
Chill.
Do you have refrigerator that can chill the standard of water I take in Europe?
We have fridge.
You have fridge.
Yes.
Refrigerating.
Nah, that girl Eloma, she has beaten more than she can chew. Honestly, it is high time we teach her a lesson that she will never forget.
Before I left for school, she threatened to fight me. And not even only that, she insulted my parents. For now, I'm back for her.
We need to do something about her. Honestly, we need to. Yes, we have to. Because she's now feeling like she owns this entire village.
Enuma must hear from me. I promise her.
So, Ebere, this started before you left.
I'm telling you. Before I left for school.
I'd like to know what your plans are since your father is no more. But Biko, think very well before you answer. Mama, where is this one coming from now? Eh? Wait. Do you want me to go and hustle again like you've always told me?
No. It's not that I want you to hustle. There's no need for that. As a matter of fact, since you started dressing like a young girl, men are beginning to notice you. There's one man that came to ask for your hand in marriage, and the man has good prospects.
Mama, who is the man?
Barrister Ignatius, late Mweke's son. He just came back from abroad. He's doing very well.
Hey, Ignatius! Hey! Enoma, you've suffered. You have seen something.
Do you know him?
See, Mama, I can see you don't have handwork. In fact, you are corn, you don't have handwork. Now leave me now, let me rest. Tori.
I didn't say in Guinea, I said Ignatius.
Mama, please now. Hey, Chinek.
Afam, tell them to leave. Please go. Go.
Enoma, why do you want us to leave? We came here to sympathize with you. Or is there anything bad for us to come and console our friend?
See, Ebere, I think she has her reasons. Oh?